In this video, I'm going to teach you how we can create compact dashboard in Excel. So for example, I have this drop down, and if I want to change the chart type, for example, I want to see pie chart, it will show me the yearly summary of my data using pie chart. For example, I want a line chart, it will show me year over year monthly sale data chart. For example, I want only the sale by month, so I can see which month are most sale. So this will show me monthly sale chart. And if I want month sale year chart, so this will show me year as well as month. How we can develop this compact dashboard? This is my data set. I created pivot table, and I think you all know how we can create these pivot table. I just create a traditional dashboard, and these are the 4 chart. Now how I can convert this to a compact dashboard, I will show you step by step detail in this video. Consider we have created dashboard from our data set and we did not format much more. The first thing I need to do, I will just click on the chart and I will format the chart size exactly the same. So all of the 4 charts must be exactly the same. So in this case, let me just put 3.5 as the height and let's say 6 as the width of the chart, and I will do the rest of the chart. For example, I will click here, just select 3.5 and 6. So make sure you exactly type the same size for the charts, 3.5, 6, because the chart will overlap on each other and we don't want to see the lower area or upper area of any other chart. So now we have formatted all of the chart with same size. The next thing, we need to rename the chart. For example, I will just rename this chart, let's say monthly sales by year. You can rename it with any name, but please make sure there will be no space. You will use dash instead of space. Hit enter, and now I will select the second chart. I will rename, let's say pie chart. In this case, let's say bar chart, for example. You can rename it with any name, and for this one I will use line. So now I have renamed the chart. Now the next thing, we need to create a drop down and we need to use exactly the same name on drop down. So drop down, let me just format a little bit. The next thing, we need to merge a few cells and let me just format with a lighter color. So now I will just copy paste this name. I forget the name. Let's say this is pie chart, and the first I copy paste, go to data validation and list, copy paste the first chart name. I think the second one is the pie chart, and I will type line chart, and the next is bar chart. I will hit OK, and now we have prepared all of the drop down with exactly the same name as the chart. The next thing, I will give you the code, and the code is very simple. If I just give you this code, you can just copy paste this code and go to developer tab. If you don't see the developer tab, go to file, options, customize ribbon, and here you will select the developer tab and hit OK, and you will see a new window of developer tab. You just need to click developer tab, visual basic, and on module 1 you just need to copy paste all of this code. In this code, the first is define your sheet name on which you have a dashboard. So in this case, we have only the dashboard, so I will just copy paste this whole name. You can even type and just paste the name. Now the next thing is the drop down range. So on which cell you have drop down. So you can see this is a merge cell, but I5 is the starting thing. You can see this is the location of the drop down. So you just need to rename J5 to I5, and this is the range which we have dropped down. Now the next thing is the row number and column number. For example, I want to display my chart somewhere, let's say there. So 8 is my row and column number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 8 row, 7 column. How I will change? So this is 8 row and 7 column. This is my chart location. This is again the same. I just need to 8 row and 7 column. I will save this code and close this window. The next thing I forget, we just need to go visual basic again, and on dashboard sheet just double click, and here you will just select worksheet, and instead of selection change, we just need to select change, and we will close this one. We just need to write call and Ctrl V to paste our subcode. So this code will run every time we did a change on the sheet. Now I will close this window, and what happens if I just change my drop down? So this will move the chart to area we have selected. So this is 8 rows 7 column, and if I just select the second chart, they will show on the top of the first chart. If I select the line chart, they will show the top of the 2 chart, and if I just select the bar chart, they will also show. Now if I just change, it will look like we have compact dashboard. So this is how we can create this compact dashboard. I hope you like this video. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel, and if you have time, please share this video as well. Thank you so much.